standing guillotine.
Choke. He's got the choke. Can he finish it? This is crazy. Can he finish the choke here? He counts.
Oh my God,
wow.
he submits.
Unbelievable.
Lukai.
Unbelievable. Oh my goodness.
Sıymık, the young kid, 22 years old, he weathers the storm.
Wow,
and
what
he
a finish.
submits. Really, who must have been the favorite, Lukai.
What a finish. Out of nowhere.
Young 22-year-old, he just snaps it on. Standing, and then as they roll, he takes the back and squeezes the choke out of Lukai.
Oh, man.
Sıymık. Let's have a look at that. Here, he's standing, he just slaps it on. A little bit like Shavkat Romanov, and then here, as they fall, he gets one hook in.
That's a done deal. I mean, it's a really tight choke, and
I don't know why Lukai doesn't try to peel the hands, but lessons learned, I guess. Both these guys are so exhausted as well. Both of them couldn't make weight. Both of them put everything they did, could do